Everyone needs that sleek look of wallpaper in their phone. So here's my opinion and my list on the top 3 Android apps that you should download to have the best wallpapers. So the first app in the list is Resplash. So you have to go and click Resplash and you can see the app right here. They have all the collections of wallpapers listed below like this. So you can even go and select featured and get your abstract wallpapers and colorful wallpapers list ordered properly. So if you want to set a wallpaper, you can just click on it and then select it, and you can give it as select as wallpaper, or at least even download it and use it as a wallpaper later. So now I'll just click on select wallpaper and you can see that I'm getting the option setting wallpaper. So they update their new wallpapers every week, every month, and they have good collections of wallpapers. I would suggest you to download this app if you want some good wallpapers. If you are not convenient with these wallpapers, you can even go to the search and get your own wallpapers searched and set to according to your taste and all what you need. Yeah, the second app in my list is Wallpaper, or Wallpaper, anything how it's pronounced. So you can see all the wallpapers list down below. So they have some pictures taken, and you can add your own wallpaper if you want to this and make others download yours. And even you can select your best wallpaper. If you like this wallpaper, you can just click on it and you can see the option is there to set the wallpaper. And even you can click on these 3 dots and give it save to device, add to your favorites, and say they have some good options. And you can see this. They have some good options. They have some collections of patterns and textures, dark and moody, rainy days, denim for days, and some of these you can just go and click on what you like and what's your taste. So you can just go and select your wallpaper what you like, and all your favorites will be listed down here. And it's simple app. You can just download. This is only about 3 to 4 MB, so you can even keep in your phone for a very long time. So no worries about your storage. And also there is a trending tab, so you can even go through trending. That's all your wish. You can just go and select your wallpaper and download it. And the third app in my list is Backdrops. I think most of them already know this app because it's quite famous app. I think most of them know this app already. They have some good collections of wallpapers as usual as all other this one, but this contains some more ads on this, and also it has a subscription fee if you want to use extensively. So you can just go and download the wallpapers for free, but if you want to do some great things with this, you have to go and buy the premium. So I would suggest you to download Resplash and Wallpaper if you want. If you're not interested in paying subscription fees, you can just go and download that apps. And if you're okay with subscription and if you want the best wallpapers, I would suggest you to download Backdrops. So this app is one of the great apps where you can get all types of wallpapers, but there's subscription fees included in this. So if you want, you can still go and download it. So guys, that's the end of the list. So if you like my video, make sure you subscribe me and also like this video and share this video to your friends if they also want to know about the top 3 wallpaper app that they can download in Play Store.
Yo.